it up high. Good shift here for the third line, too. So one shift after another. The Penguins getting that puck into the offensive zone. Ian Cole was in deep, and now Kunitz. Back for Cole, the defenseman in front. Cole the shot. Good save by Barra with a right pad. Francois Beauchemin works it ahead for Nathan MacKinnon. MacKinnon is red hot right now with 10 points in his last 7 games. Matt Duchene with it now for Landeskog, closing in and shooting, and a save by Fleury. It was Lovejoy and Scuderi. Lovejoy got to the puck, and he's able to get it to the line, but no further. Good play by Barry to hold it in. Hornquist and McLeod come on the ice. McLeod goes to the bench. Hornquist has the puck. Short-handed. Hornquist down the wing. Shooting. Save made. Hornquist keeps play alive. Now as the Penguins make a change. And now they'll bring it up the ice. And it's Sidney Crosby trying to wind his way through the traffic. Drops it off. Quick shot down low by Dumoulin is kicked away by Redo Berra. Kessel moves it all the way up and then hands it off to Evgeny Malkin. Malkin to Letang, the shot off of Crosby's stick. Crosby there trying to jam it in. Still loose. Malkin in there as well. And it's frozen by Berra.
As the puck goes down low, and there they are trying to jam it in. Sidney Crosby and company trying to get it by Redo Berra, who's always down on the ice with the pads post to post. He's got great flexibility. And if you have the wherewithal.
Upon further review, the puck does not completely cross the goal line. No goal.
Iginla sent it down the wall. Taken now by MacKinnon. He works it to the right point. 30 seconds to go. This clock taking forever to go away. Shot taken by Iginla. Stopped then. Duchene scores on the rebound. So the Avs get on the board before the end of the period.
They want a little more production, a few more power plays.
Yep, then the Penguins score. Cole shot it. It was deflected in front. And the Penguins have tied this game on the power play. Now for Kessel. And across to Malkin on the power play. 31 seconds to go on the penalty. Letang with it again. A Malkin at one time. Scores! Over now for Clendening into the Avs zone. Eric Johnson tried to line him up. Clendening got it deep. Now Bonino tries to bank one and off the goal, and it goes in. Kunitz was there too. Exploding for 3 goals in 2:08. Look at Letang skate. Going to take it coast to coast here. Letang all the way to the corner, threw it to the front of the net. Almost jammed in again.
I love watching Malkin play. I tell you, I just had the spotlight on him, that shit, watching him protect the puck, dance around, great hands, looking for something to happen, draw some traffic towards him.
Here goes Hornquist shooting, and the save by Berra. No rebound. Back shorthanded. This is Grigorenko with it now. Letang is back. Crosby trying to get back. And the shot wide of the net. And Grigorenko let it go. Now a turnover. Kessel with a drive, and the save made by Berra. And he'll dump it all the way around. Gormley there. Brandon Gormley turned it over for a moment to Cullen, but now the Avs come to center. MacKinnon to Landeskog. The shot, rebound. MacKinnon overskated, and then Cullen able to clear it away. To get it goes Cole. He's hit with a solid check there by Martinson. Out to the point. Barry with a shot. He scores. Tyson Barrie finally gets his first goal of the year, and that was a laser beam. Fleury never even reacted. It just went off the post and in. Steps in to interrupt it for a moment, but carried by Iginla up the right wing. Iginla has 7 goals on the year. He usually is a slow starter. Malkin with it now at center. Malkin has Kessel going to the net. His shot and a coast save made.
Game so that Iginla could not make a play to the high man. It's a spectacular play, really, by Rob Scuderi.
Here's Dupuis for Crosby to the goal. He scores! Landeskog with it. Up top now to Holden and over to Tyson Barrie. Now to get Iginla, a shot blocked in front. Duchene scores. Matt Duchene makes it 4-3. His second goal of the game. Trying. MacKinnon sent it behind the net to Duchene. He throws it in front off of Fleury. Iginla shot it, and Fleury made the save, and I think time had just expired as that save was made by Fleury, and the Penguins hang on